So we're coming down. Now we're going against the traffic. Nice walking area to the right. And we'll see a couple of shops over to the left as we work our way down. So let's work a little camera magic and work our way there. All right, so again, as you can see now, the bikers, hey, what's up, man? We have the bikers coming down. We're pretty much front facing. So we are actually walking in the direction where a number of bikers, rollerbladers, skateboarders, electric scooters, electric bikes, which are taking the world by storm. So we'll be seeing a lot of that as we approach, heading northbound on the Pinellas Trail. Heading Dr. Fluff, heading northbound on the Pinellas Trail. I believe it's a 40-mile stretch. Correct me if I'm wrong. Feel free, let me know in the chat. We're gonna hit a couple of restaurants up here. I wanna make sure I can get in there before it does rain. But yeah, here we are. Now this is the part where I could just kind of stop talking and just add some audio tunes to that. I think that'd be a nice touch. Walking along the Pinellas Trail with Dr. Fluff, getting insights, in quotes, on the day. But we'll just continue forward, heading north, and see exactly what we get going. Electric bike count number 3. Oh, and they also have the 360 cam as well. So definitely nice. So here we are. Gotta watch the traffic here. Let's see if you can slow down a little bit. All right, a lot of people, they don't look at the signs there. You gotta see who's coming in hot. Last thing we need is cotton, polyester, and silk all over the place. But starting to get small, looks like a heavy crowd here. But let's see, what is this spot here? We're gonna take a look and see exactly what this spot is. It looks like there's a little spot for pets. New building here. I believe it may have been in the older video as well, but I'm not sure of the actual name, but we'll see if we can get the actual name. I see HOB, but I don't think that's it. Actually, I think it is it. It might be HOB. So let's see, no bikes on patio. Lola's Pet Supplies, Lola's Pets. And this is an area where they do have a miniature market as well. But I think this is the HOB. I'm not seeing anything else, but I am seeing some pets. And Dunedin, that's one thing about Dunedin, is it is very, very pet friendly. So here, HOB Brewing Company. So let's see if we can get it right there in the name here. I think this is a little area for pets. So let's just kind of take a look as you have the beach in the background. HOB Brewing Company, Dunedin, Florida. There's a beach in the background as well. Here's some rules and regulations as well. Nice. And I think it's just an instrumental, but let's actually just kind of walk through. I think this is one of the areas that you'll definitely find really nice along the trail. Let's see here, but let's continue. We'll work our way out. There might be a small little market area as well. And it does look like they're actually selling some items as well. So we'll actually walk through and see. Oh, okay. So I do actually see HOB Brewing Company. So here's some merch. There's definitely some merch right there. And we can go right over here where we have the name of the actual building itself. So there it is. If you can see that right up there. Hey, what's up, man? How's it going? We got a little bit of name recognition there. So let's see what we got here. Hello, how are you? So let's see, what do we got? We're at the HOB Snack Shack, and these are their available hours right here. We have the young men in there holding it down, building all types of pretzels. Boys, do you have any recommendations for anyone that has cotton, polyester, and silk? Anything good for that?
A pepperoni stick.
A pepperoni stick. Look at that. Nice. Okay. Would that be very hard to chew? I mean, being that I have no teeth or what?
Yeah, so it would be very hard. I get ice cream.
You've got ice cream. Okay. Nice. So now, does that seem like that would be on the house VIP treatment?
Yeah, it's on the house today. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. He's just playing. As soon as that camera stops rolling, he's like, look, that was $5.99. All right. So here we've got. So is this part of the HOB?
Yeah.
All right. And you boys are cool with being in the video?
Yeah.
Look at that. This will be played all around the world. Look at that. Dr. Fluff, which will be on YouTube and TikTok. Look at that. Any shout outs you want to give a shout out? Any of your shorties, any of your baddies, anything like that?
Paisley,
Isabella, Paisley. Who else? Cindy? Oh, hey, anyone you got a crush on? Do you got a crush on Cindy?
Cindy, yeah.
Oh, he's got a crush on Sydney. Look at that. I like that. So, Sydney, you'll be going out with that gentleman right there. He will pay. I believe he's going to take you to go see the new Superman. Compliments of Dr. Fluff. Let me know. Hit me up with the message. I'll take care of the fee. All right?
Thank you.
All right. Talk with you later. All right, so there we go, Sydney. Hopefully the date goes well. All right, now we've got a lot of merch here. You can come down here, get your bracelets, your anklets. Hopefully the young man can get that right there for Sydney. And let's continue. Let's move down. A lot of merch here. Definitely nice. And you'll notice the dogs in the background as well. So let's move right along. Let's see if we can actually get just a shot of the background, as I am extremely hot. But I just want to get a shot of the actual of the menu there. So there you are with the menu. Hello there. How are you? Good. Just getting the menu there. All right, so there is the menu there. Look at that. So you come here, you'll be as good as gold for all of the different items. You'll see the dogs all along the background, and they have the fans there as well. Plenty of shade, plenty of refreshments. So right here on the Pinellas Trail yet again. So let's continue down. We're leaving the HOB, Dr. Fluffy, or actually Dr. Fluff, but let's work our way down. There is another spot, as that was a hard step there. We'll take a left, and we do have some bikers coming, so let's kind of just cut right in front. They're giving people a heads up. So still along the Pinellas Trail, we have, it looks like Raiden. So not Dunedin, but Raiden, which is in Dunedin. And right here is Raiden. Oh, hold on one second. Oh, no, you're good. Oh, no, I was just going right for the shot right behind you. If you're good with being in it, I can have you in it. Okay, all right. So we are here. I believe it is Raiden. Is that Raiden? Is that what it says there? Raiden? Raiden. Yeah, I believe it does say Raiden. Look at that. Raiden it is. Thank you. So here we are at Raiden, and this is yet another spot along the Pinellas Trail. You stop here, and I believe the items that they have, oh, yet another brewery. So, and it looks like this is their menu. So look at that. All types of different types of, oh, look at that. Now, I don't usually partake, but I will say this. When you have a number of different options, you can't go wrong with that. So there is a shot. We'll just get a small shot of the area here. And this is where all of the magic happens right there. So let's go back. So that is Raiden right here along the path, and I think they might have a secondary area in the back where I believe you can do some parking. AC was definitely on as well with fans. A nice low-key spot again right along the Pinellas Trail. Park your bikes right outside, which a lot of people do. A lot of people, as you can see coming up to the left, when we come out of Raiden, as we have the apartments and shops and parking spots over there, one of the things you're going to notice over here is, look at that, thank you for visiting, come back soon. So, and here are your parking. So this is, what is this? Let's see what this is. It's like every spot has a nice little spot for your bikes and scooters. But look at this. This is right along the Pinellas Trail. You're not going to get a better area like this. So I think this is the Lucky Lobster. That's right, Dr. Fluff here. The Lucky Lobster it is. And if you take a look, hey, what's up, man? How's it going? Hey, doing all right. Good. Are you enjoying yourself here?
No question.
Nice. So here we are. That is the Lucky Lobster right there. And I believe what we can do, let's just take a look here. You have the official spot right there. And we'll just we'll walk through. Do a quick little walkthrough, real quick, come along the backside, and let's see what we got here. Is there an exterior place in the back as well, or it's all open?
Here we also have inside.
Oh, wow. Wow, I didn't know it was that huge. Oh, perfect. Look at that. We're going right inside here. This is nice. Thank you. Now here is the internal spot here at the Lucky Lobster AC. If you do not want to be outside at all, you can definitely just come inside where, I was sweating left and right, but right now it's super cool. Oh, hello, how are you? So it is really nice here at the Lucky Lobster. This is the brunch menu. Saturdays and Sundays, okay.
11 to 3 p.m.
All right.
That's our music.
Oh, nice.
It's Thursday through Sunday.
Oh, are those, that's live music?
That's live music.
Oh, wow. So I'll definitely have to come through there. That's beautiful. Now, who's in charge of doing the writing on there? Because I know that takes an art in itself.
That is our girl Jessica. Hostess Jessica.
Oh, look at that. Oh, well, and you said Tom? Tom. Well, Tom, thanks, man. The AC alone, I'm melting over here. Cotton, polyester, and silk is definitely sweating. But this is a really nice establishment right along the Pinellas Trail. That is the Lucky Lobster. So let's walk outside and let's get an additional view. Thank you, Tom. Giving us a little bit of the VIP treatment here at the Lucky Lobster right here. A fan favorite and local favorite right here in Dunedin, right off of the Pinellas Trail. And would you look at that, there is also the dog. So you know what that means. Marley and Liam will have to bring you here as well. There is one of their famous Lucky Lobster Company shirts, which I do believe you might be able to actually get. And look at the outdoor area there. So if you want to be outdoors, catch the breeze, or indoors, feel free. We do have the little dog there as well, who's looking very close, but he's also keeping his distance as well. So here we are. Hello there, buddy. How are you? He's smelling, but we don't want him to grab our nose. That's key. So, and he did the smell test. We passed the smell test. Excuse me, young man. Excuse me. Let's head right back out. Lucky Lobster here in Dunedin. Hey, what's going on, man? All right. And a double bike. When's the last time you've seen a double bike? You gotta be in a really good relationship to ride in the double bike. That's the double bike there. We haven't seen one of those in quite some time.